So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our 2-day NPTEL exam preparation roadmap for Industry 4.0 and IoT. So in 2 days, we cover our whole syllabus and how. So let's discuss about it. In day first, we will discuss about our smart revision with rupees 19 exam material, and in day second, we discuss about our full practice plus mock test marathon. So let's discuss about our day first. So we categorize our days in three parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. So let's discuss about it. So the goal of our day first is revise all important questions and concept quickly. So let's start our day first. So in day first morning, start with exam buddy, rupees 19 exam material, their link in our description, and read all current year assignment questions with explanation. All assignments and question with explanation are in our 19 rupees exam material, and mark repeated and high weight topics. You have to find out the similar question and mark it. So these three things you have to do in morning. Start with exam buddy rupees 19 exam material. Read all current year assignment question with explanation and mark repeated and high weight topics. And next afternoon. So in afternoon you have to do two things. First is revise previous year assignment from the same pack and compare with current year to spot common questions pattern. So you have to compare common questions between them. And next is evening. In evening you have to do solve practice PDFs include in the 19 rupees pack. So in our exam material, we also provide solved practice and unsolved practice PDFs. So next one is don't look at answer first, self-test, then check explanation. So you have to do solved assignment, but don't look at answers and explanation. And next one is prepare a quick revision sheet of key formula and weak topics. So you have to create 2-page sheet and you have to write down all short notes, formulas and definition in your 2-sheet notes. This is known as cheat notes. Have not got it yet? Get your complete NPTEL exam material at rupees 19. Includes all assignments plus explanation plus practice PDFs. So now let's discuss about our day 2. So day 2 is full practice plus mock test marathon. So day 2 full practice plus mock test marathon, and the goal of our day 2 is test your preparation, improve speed and accuracy. So in morning you have to do two things. First one is attempt the one free mock test on the Exam Buddy YouTube channel. We provide you one mock test free in our channel for this course, and check your score and revise incorrect question using your 19 pack. So check your answer. If it is incorrect, check on our exam material. So you find out the answer with explanation. And in afternoon, you have to do two things. First one is join the YouTube membership. The price of our YouTube membership is 59 only to unlock 3 exclusive premium mock test and one shot revision video. So in 59 membership, we will provide you 3 more exclusive premium mock test and one shot revision video. And the second thing is attempt mock test 1 and 2 under exam condition. Timer on, no notes. And in evening, you have to attempt mock test 3 and 4 from membership. Review your mistakes, revise marked topics from your revision sheet, and end the day with a light recap of important formula and concept. So this is our 2-day roadmap. And now let's discuss about our end result. So the end result is in just 2 days, you will revise all current and previous assignment, practice 4 total mock test, one shot for full revision, and build full exam confidence. And our exam buddy plan is exam material pack contain all assignments plus explanation plus practice PDFs. The price is 19 rupees, and in our membership we give you one shot video plus 4 premium mock test at rupees 59. So get both now, link in video description and pinned comment. So thank you friends for watching our roadmap.